Hi everyone, and welcome to How Ines Rolls. I'm at it again. You can hear me back there cooking some Sunday dinner or lunch, and I have some rice going, but I need to make a dessert, so I'll show you what I'm making. Over the past week, I was browsing through Pinterest and I saw this recipe that was 3 ingredients. Love 3 ingredients, and I know especially for the weekends when I'm just trying to quickly put something together, I thought it would be perfect. So behind me, ta-da! It's just a cake mix, some orange juice, and Greek yogurt. And it also says that it's low fat. We'll see. Today's one of those busy church days, so everything that I'm making is very, very easy. So right here is that the barbecue teriyaki from packets made from Winco. I know Trader Joe's also has them. They are delicious. So mixing that with rice, easy lunch. So let me show you what we're doing here. To my bowl, I'm going to take just this white cake mix. It calls for 1 container of non-fat Greek yogurt. So I guess that's where the low-fat part comes in. But I couldn't find a 6-ounce container. So I got 5.3 ounces, so I hope that's good enough. And we're just gonna put in a cup of orange juice and mix it and add it into an 8x8. So easy, it really is. So I'm gonna try to really get all this stuff out because I was needing more. So I wanna make sure I get it all. So good, okay. And then one of these. My kids have been asking for this orange juice. I don't always buy orange juice, so this is like a treat. So they're ready to start devouring it. And I'm like, no, it's for the dessert. Yeah, now it's theirs. Okay, so now I'm gonna just mix this in, and it says optional that you can add lemon zest. And I'm gonna say yes, go ahead and do that. Because this is supposed to be a dreamsicle cake, so I want it nice and orangey. So I'll show you in a bit what that looks like. And here's the zest. We're just gonna put a little bit in there and I'll mix it through. And I have my greased pan ready to go. With this being Sunday, I already have some family coming into town tomorrow. And then they'll kind of stagger through the rest of the week, which I'm super excited about. So we have that graduation going. If you follow me on Instagram, you've been seeing that I've been doing the backyard. And so this week is gonna be full of different activities that we have to get ready and cleaning to get done. Am I right? So there's perfect amounts there of what smells good. And this cake mix, you guys, I don't know if you've ever done like a low-fat method of making cake mix before. I kind of shy away from that because I think, how's it gonna taste? It's looking pretty good. It smells good. And then, oh, that means part of my lunch is done. So I'm just gonna get this into the oven, 30 minutes. And remember, the recipe card will be at the end of the video. So, you know, if you're ever like needing something really quick and easy, refer to this video. Or even better, purchase my cookbooks, right? They have them all in one place. You can always email me at howinezrolls and I'll send you a PayPal link for $25 to get my first book. Okay, so this is gonna go in the oven and I'll show you what that looks like. So you can see just an easy lunch. That teriyaki is so good and right from the freezer section. And like I said, they have it at Winco and at Trader Joe's and it's delicious. So we just made some rice and we have some watermelon. Hey, Ez. So this is after 30 minutes. It smells really good in here. In fact, the boys are like, I can't believe that's just white cake, but it's got all the orange juice and some orange pulp in there, so it's gonna be really good, I can already tell. So we just came back from church, but before I cut the cake and I put it on the plate, I had to put back on my new apron. Isn't it so cute? One of the little kids in my class gave it to me as a gift. But look at this. Now it's supposed to be low fat, so I just covered it in powdered sugar. And this is some leftover Cool Whip. Oh, that's really good. Okay, I was a little surprised. So, I don't think it tastes low fat. I think it tastes delicious. Well, we'll have to see what everybody else thinks. So, if you like this cake and you think you're gonna make it, you'll have to let me know what you think. Thanks for joining me and making this orange cake. Now remember, it's called a creamsicle cake and it is delicious. Give this video a thumbs up and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next.